Hi guys, welcome back to Spotaria channel. Today in this video I'll show you how to create Brandly account on iPhone. But as always, before you continue this video, I hope you like, comment and subscribe to support this channel, and don't forget to hit the notifications bell. So without any further ado, let's get started. First thing first, you have to open your Brandly. And now in this page, go ahead to the profile button at the bottom right in the corner of your screen. Here, and at the top right you will see sign up. Just go ahead. After that, in the column you have to type your email, and now tap on the sign up button. And now just create your password for your Brandly account. If you done, tap on the next. You can choose your country, but usually it will automatically fill, and your age here. Now at the column below, how did you hear about Brandly? Just tap on the select, and there are a few options. Here I'm gonna tap on other. After that, if you done, tap on the next again. Here there are two options. Here I'm gonna choose I'm a student, and at the bottom just tap on the circle to agree. After, tap on the sign up, and yeah, you already have an account now. So yeah, just it guys, I think it's enough. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this video will help you. Don't forget to leave your comment in the column below. I'll see you soon in the next one, and good luck.